Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless. For today's video, I'm going to be doing DIY rhinestone jean. Alright, it's going to be in fringe style. Alright, also I'm going to be trying it on for you guys to see how it looks like. All right, if you want to see how we're going to go from these jeans, from this to this, but before we move on, I need you to do something for me, please. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and please do not forget to give me likes, share, and of course your comment means a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So those are the material that we're going to need for this project. The E6000 glue, you all can see it. I'll put all this in the description box just in case if you're interested. I'll also put a link for you to purchase it. We're going to need scissors, and we're going to need the rhinestone, which I purchased from Amazon. All right, those are the things we're going to need. I'm going to need the tip of the brush, the paint brush. You can use whatever that is comfortable for you to hold it down, just to make sure it's straight, it's perfect with the line of the jeans. That's the purpose of you using something to, to kind of press it down. Whatever that I feel comfortable, you can use. So right here, I'm showing you that I'll be putting the glue on the line where I'm going to put the first rhinestone. I'm not going to put it straight down, but I'm going to put it little by little in order for it to be straight. So take your time to put it so it doesn't look messed up, okay? the next thing I'll be doing here, I'll be cutting the rhinestone in a longer size and smaller size. So I have in patterns. That's how I put the rhinestones. Two long ones and one shorter one. You will see it as I continue. You will see what I mean by two long ones and two shorter ones. And I'm going to show you anyway. I'm going to raise up the rhinestone for you to see how long that one is. Like the one I'm showing you right now, those are the ones that I'm going to be putting in twos, as long as that. Then the next one is going to be the short one that is going to be in between. So two longs one, one short one, two longs one, one short one, and that's how I put it around the pocket. Guys, here is the finished look of this side. I'm just going to have to let it dry before I try it on. So there's nothing much anymore to be done than to try it on for you guys to see the outcome, okay, how it looks on my body afterwards. Okay, you're going to be seeing the before picture, I mean the before the jeans, the DIY, and after. Okay, I'll just dress it up. All right, so
is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride, try to holler at me. Baby girl, you stay on my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no. Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart. Like controller, controller. Cause all we need is somebody to lead on. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. She caught me on the counter, it wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa. Cause I've been up all night, no sleep. Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. Who do you love? And are you sure? Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world. So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.